Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to export activity summary from a Time Doctor. Now the first thing I want you to do is log in to your dashboard and then just come here, click on reports right here, and from this drop down you'll see activity summary as the fourth option. I want you to click on this, and right here what I want you to do, you can go ahead and choose your different presets, okay? Or you can export just like this as well, so you can see all the details. And if you want to export, all you do is once you're happy with it, you choose your date range. So let's do from the 13th to the 18th, okay? So we have this one. Now, once you're done with everything, click here on export, right? And it'll give you export options. You can choose your file type. Let's do CSV. You can choose your file format, your user identification if you want the name. I'll just keep name. If you want, you can add these as well. I'll click on export, and then we can go ahead and open this up. I'll show you what it looks like. As you can see, that's exactly how it is right here. And that is how to export activity summary from Time Doctor.